Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the system, unplug the cable, and press the case power briefly to drain caps. Once done, remove the side panel and reposition the PC so the GPU faces you. Make sure to ground yourself with a wrist strap or touch the PSU metal frequently. This prevents static damage. Next, unhook display cables and any power connectors from the card. Take photos so you can reconnect later. Now, locate the broken retention clip and evaluate access for the next steps. You will now free the card. First, remove all PCIe power plugs by depressing their latches and pulling straight back. Do not wiggle sideways. If the slot clip is broken, use a thin plastic pry tool or a small flat screwdriver to depress the motherboard latch gently. Slide the tool tip under the latch and push toward the rear of the board. Make sure nearby bracket screws are fully backed out, and wiggle the card with steady upward pressure until it unseats from the slot. Lift the GPU straight up, supporting the PCB near the I/O bracket so it doesn't flex. Steady, even pressure removes it. If it resists, stop. Double-check all screws and the case bracket, redepress the latch toolfully, and try easing from the opposite side. For stubborn cases, slightly rock while pulling but avoid torque. Once removed, inspect PCIe contacts. Clean gently with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free swab. If pins
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.